Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off safe mode in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and you want to enable or disable safe mode in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to scroll down your control panel and here you will get the power icon, just tap on it. Then you can easily get the power off. Just keep a long press on it and you'll get the safe mode just like this. Just tap on it and just wait for your phone for restarting. You just have to wait for it. And after that, just unlock your phone and here you will get the safe mode in the bottom left corner. Here you can see the safe mode has been enabled. Here's you will easily get your safe mode. So let's see how can you turn it off. Just scroll down your control center again. Just tap on power icon, select restart and then select restart to disable or turn off safe mode in Samsung A36 or 56. So that's how you can easily turn on or off safe mode in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.